Hi, my name is Miss Stav, and this is my son Phoenix. And today we're going to be making the very popular glitter jar. So I get a lot of questions about this glitter jar. It's a sensory jar, and we use it during mindful sessions to feel calm. So here are a few that I work with. You can even upcycle something you have at home. This is an example of a really neat water bottle I found, and I just saved it after I drank the water, and I made it into a glitter jar. Of course, you can use glass, which really teaches the student how to respect different materials, as well as this is a little tiny plastic mason jar, so you really can use whatever you have lying around at home. You also need chunky glitter. I recommend chunky glitter because finer glitter tends to be, over time, it tends to disintegrate in the glitter jar and can turn the water a little bit muddy. This is an example of when I used tiny glitter. So I definitely recommend chunkier glitter like in this one. Do you like the glitter jar? Okay, nice, shake, 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 shake. And this glitter jar is a sensory jar and helps us focus and feel calm, because not only are we using our fine motor skills to hold and shake the glitter jar, but we're also watching as all the glitter settles to the bottom as we take slow breaths in and out. You will also need some liquid detergent. Other recipes call for glue or glitter glue, and that again makes the water really muddy and murky where you're not really able to see the glitter. And then as a bonus, you can add something to focus on within the glitter jar. So this is a pom-pom. Phoenix, would you like to hold the pom-pom? You can use a bead. This is a little fabric flower that I had, it fell off of a sweater I had, so something that can be used as well. And then tape to close the glitter jar shut. As you can see, I didn't fill up the water all the way to the tippy top just yet, so that I can really work and the glitter won't overflow to the very top. He was playing with a lot of these glitter jars before I started filming, so maybe that's why he's so focused. You can't go wrong with how much glitter to add. If you add less glitter, then it makes for a snow globe effect. If you add more, then that's fun as well. Okay, can you pour this one in? Wow, pour it in, pour it in. Wow, thank you so much, Phoenix, for your help. See how you're pouring that glitter inside of the jar. Okay, we're gonna add just a pea size. That's it. No more than that. It creates a lot of foam. So most people have stickers at home, but what happens is the sticker collects the glitter and then is like a really cool chunky shape inside the jar. Would you like to put this inside the jar? Put it inside. Thank you. Did you like that? You want to put another one? We usually just add one. You can also add a pom-pom. You want to add a pom-pom here? You want to add that one? Okay, go ahead. Okay, so now we're going to test it out. I'm going to close it, even though I didn't finish with the water. I'm just going to see what it looks like. So that looks really neat. And then I can decide if I want to add another glitter packet or not. But I think we're good. Let's add the rest of the water. Didn't make too much of a mess, but oftentimes there is a lot of glitter that does spill on the paper, and then I just try to save it and scoop it in the glitter jar. Seal it with tape, and then, yes. Yeah, we can't open it anymore because now we turned it into a glitter jar. Look. See? Another thing I like to do as a bonus is decorate it with stickers. So I just have some sparkly stickers from when I used to scrapbook, sparkly letters. So you can also put this inside. Whoa, shake, 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 shake. It's heavy, right? It's glass. Thank you for being so careful. Shake, 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 shake. And now you watch the glitter settle. That is the secret to Mindful Starts glitter jar. Bye.